Welcome to video 6.5, Course Conclusion. In the previous video, we looked at formatting dashboards for web and mobile. In this video, we're going to conclude the course with some final thoughts and next steps. To start with, think back, way back, to video 1.1, where we learned about Power BI's desktop to web workflow. We learned how the Power BI dashboarding workflow starts with visuals, which are assembled into reports, from which they are pinned to dashboards. As an analogy, you could think of dashboard elements in terms of writing. Visuals map to sentences. Report pages are like paragraphs, and a report is like a chapter in a book represented by a workspace. A dashboard would be an executive summary, just the highlights, and you have to dig for the details. The upshot of that is that you need to keep each report page tightly focused. All the visuals on one page should relate to the same topic about the data. You also need to choose the best visual for the job. This makes or breaks a dashboard's effectiveness and is worth a course all by itself. Some highlights we saw in this course are to use bar charts for quantitative categorical comparisons, bullet charts for comparisons against a goal, line and area charts for trends over time, and box plots for distributions. Maps for geography, etc. The best tool for the job, as I say at the top. Next, design for your audience. We talked about analytical, tactical, and strategic dashboards. It won't always be obvious where or if a given dashboard project fits into that model. They're really just example use cases. You really need to know your audience. What questions do they have? Every day? Every quarter? What's their appetite for detail? Are they forest people or tree people? And finally, how much time do they have to spend consuming the reports and dashboards you carefully develop? Are they analysts with as much time as it takes to get to the bottom of a situation, or executives with 30 seconds between meetings? We concluded the course with a section on formatting. Stylistically, less is more, especially on mobile. Minimize ink, avoiding chart junk. Let the data speak for itself. Aim for consistency. A given color, font, or font size should mean the same thing across your dashboard so that understanding page 1 makes it easy to understand page 2. Optimize contrast. Too much is garish. Too little is hard to read. For all these things, if you want to get it right, get feedback. Ask someone who will offer constructive criticism and listen to it openly before you show your CEO. So that's about it for building interactive dashboards with Power BI. Where to next? Be sure to check out the Power BI training videos and keep an eye out for videos with each release illustrating the new features in Power BI. Of course, check out PAC's other Power BI courses. And don't forget, I'm out there on the internet somewhere. Ping me on LinkedIn with your best dashboard creations. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end. Have fun dashboarding with Power BI.